Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at a few C-8 concrete contractor license exam questions. How many cubic yards of concrete should a contractor order for a 20-foot wide by 40-foot long by 4-inch thick slab? The correct answer is 10. Where are spiral rebar ties used? The correct answer is in round columns. If a contractor works added or bleed water into the surface during floating or troweling, what effect can this action have on the finished product? The correct answer is the surface can have map cracks or crazing. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of information that's going to be referenced on the C-8 contractor license exam. Obviously, planning and estimating, planning concrete projects, excavating, layout and forming, installing drains and moisture barriers, placing and finishing, placing concrete, obviously safety. There's thousands of possible questions that get rotated on the trade exams. Many of them obviously are going to be math related, and they'll cover varying aspects of the concrete trade. So it's really important that you take the time to understand what types of questions are going to be on the test. 30% of the exam covers planning and estimation, 28% covers pre-placement preparation, 19% covers placing and finishing, 5% covers post-placement tasks, and 18% covers safety. Safety is always a huge part of this exam. What we've done is we've taken the most important information on the test and we've condensed it into summarized Cliff Note formats with the most specific info on the test. It's presented in a clearly written way with examples and descriptions. This can come in the form of either ebooks or study guides, online practice tests, online lectures, mathematics courses to make sure that you're prepared for those math-related questions, and then of course an application review to make sure that your application isn't rejected by the CSLB for mistakes. This video just wanted to kind of go into the sample questions. A lot of you guys were asking about the C-8 sample questions. We've got other videos that go a lot deeper into where you take the exam, the law side of the test, how much does it cost, where do you take it, everything that you need to know about the process, and then a lot more information on the trade side. And if you're looking for info on the requirements, how do I get the license, the requirements, how do I fill out the certification of work experience, we've got another video that goes a lot deeper into that information. So you're definitely going to want to check those two out. And if you're interested in the C-8 license course, you can find that in the links below. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Like and subscribe to our channel because we're always putting out a lot of really valuable information about getting a California contractor license and other construction related information. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.